In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Pipedrive, 2026 step-by-step beginner tutorial. If you've ever missed a follow-up or lost track of a call, this is going to help. In Pipedrive, reminders are managed as activities. Think of them as scheduled tasks that keep deals, contacts, and your pipeline moving. I'll walk you through creating a clear, actionable reminder from start to finish. Start on your Pipedrive dashboard and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Activities. This opens the place where all your upcoming tasks live, and it's where you'll create new ones. Now, click the Activity button to start a new reminder. You're creating a single, specific task you can complete and mark Done, which makes your daily view and reports much more accurate. Choose the type of activity you're setting. You can label it as a call, a meeting, or an email. Pick the one that best describes the action you'll take. Selecting the correct type helps with filtering, calendar visibility, and reporting later, so keep it accurate. Set the due date and time. Choose when you want this reminder to land on your to-do list. Be realistic with timing and double-check the time zone if you work across regions. If it's time-sensitive, add a specific time so it shows up where you expect it in your day. Next, set the priority. Click Priority and select the level that matches the urgency. Use a consistent rubric across your team, so high means truly urgent, medium is important soon, and low is nice to have. That way, your Today view surfaces what matters first. Add notes to capture the details you'll need when it's time to act. Write the purpose of the call or meeting, any context you must remember, and the outcome you're aiming for. Notes like these save you from digging through emails later and make handoffs easier if a teammate needs to step in. When everything looks good, click Save. Your reminder will now appear in your activities list and, if applicable, on your calendar. Pipedrive will follow your notification settings, and you can always open the activity later to edit details, reschedule, or mark it done as soon as you complete it. That's it. You clicked Activities, created a new activity, chose a type, set a due date, picked a priority, added notes, and saved. Follow this flow every time you need a reminder, and you'll never lose momentum in your pipeline.